like the old man, isn't it, this one?
Yeah.
Why do we put bird seed out for the birds?
Because we might need food.
That's true. More important at winter time, isn't it? But put it out all year round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go here.
Oh, the top one. Yeah.
That's
Yeah. So we've got a couple of feeders here, but we need peanuts for those big ones, don't we, really?
yeah, but there's one here.
But we can put some on that, can't we? Oh, yeah, need some peanuts for that one.
Yeah.
We've got another couple down here, hidden away. So I reckon we get some. We tried putting some seed in that one before, but it fell out really easy, Will. So I think we need peanuts. So you can see seed in there from the time before, but it just all kind of trickled out.
Yeah.
So I think we need peanuts. So that's it. I think done.